Welcome to the LaValle Metabolic Institute. I'm Dr. Gary Huber, and I'm here today to introduce you to Don, one of our recent patients. I asked Don to come in and talk about his experience because Don had a not uncommon experience where he came to LMI with a few physical complaints that he really wasn't getting answers to. And in a very short period of time, about 4 months,
Yes.
We identified some issues in his metabolism, started him on a course of therapy, and he had a very quick change in how he felt and functioned. So I'm not going to take up any more time. I'm going to leave it to Don to kind of tell your story.
Thank
Okay?
you, Dr. Huber. Appreciate it. My name's Don Riley. As Dr. Huber mentioned, I had a few health problems back last April. Kind of went to the doctor, and the doctor checked my blood pressure, and I found out my blood pressure was like 160 over 100. And I knew I had to take some course of action and kind of start changing my diet a little bit and trying to, go to the gym, like all of us, just trying to, lose some weight. And basically, the things I was doing really wasn't working, and I still had all this anxiety and stress. And my a friend of mine at church just came to me and said, "Hey, I know this place that you can go to that will really help you and get you back on track," and they really helped me. And so I said, "Okay, well, if you give me your number, I'll call." And I called up and talked to a lady on the phone, and she was just super nice to me. And she told me to come in and we could do an evaluation. And I came to the Metabolic Institute and met Dr. Huber and met Chris, his assistant. And they were just very pleasant to work with. They walked me through the whole process of showing me what I could do to get some of these ailments that I'm having under control and put me right on the right track. So I basically started on some of the programs that they have here, and it just really helped me with the nutritional part of it, the vitamins and the nutritional supplements that I was taking that really helped me to get my body back under control. I started sleeping better over time, which really excuse me, took a lot of the anxiety and stress off of me. My physical overall being became better because my blood pressure started lowering, excuse me, and at the end of the day, I just physically felt better. And I think Dr. Huber can contest to the way that I've kind of changed, and I guess in a short period of time. So I'm just glad that I found the Metabolic Institute because they really changed my life.
If I can just summarize, I thank you, Don, for coming in.
Yeah.
Can I tell them just a couple of things that we found?
Sure.
And these are not uncommon. People will have issues, and the question is, why is the blood pressure elevated? Yes, it's elevated. Yes, we can do a drug, but why is it elevated? And that's what we really worked on. And actually, we were able to reduce the amount of medication you were taking, and the blood pressure came down with less medication.
Yes.
We also found that there was some hormonal imbalance, and we corrected that in short order, and now you're making plenty of your own hormone. You're not taking any hormones.
Absolutely.
So these are kind of some of the simple things that often get people back on track and feeling good again. So thanks for coming in. Appreciate having you.
Thanks,
and
Dr. Huber.
more good success in the future.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Thanks.